Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to learn this thing on the strongest battleground. It's actually pretty easy. Just do this. You know how to do that? I can teach you. Alright, first, your shift locked are green, but if is it not green, you cannot do that. And on computer, you don't need that. You can just like shift. And you need on mobile to be green. So you can do this. Like this. Like that. And flowing water. You can do that. And I can even put a combo. But if I fail, I gotta do it again. Oh my god! Yeah, you can even do that. That's it. Goodbye! And also, I just unlocked this. 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 There. I just unlocked this thing. Yeah. Bye-bye. And I got just 305 kills. Bye-bye.